Excuse me?
Yeah, dude, what's up?
I'm looking for Team Anveshna.
Oh, you are exactly where you need to be.
Well, why are you looking for them?
Well, I came here for the orientation.
Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Punit from Team Anveshna.
Oh, hello, I'm Divya.
If you're not aware of this, the orientation was completed.
Yeah, I know, but I couldn't make it because of a couple of reasons. I was
Okay.
hoping if I could get a rough idea about what you guys do, since your Insta page made me really curious.
Well, actually, we are running kind of tight on schedule. So, if you could join me and witness what we are working on, you might get a rough idea.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
Okay, then, come with me. So basically, the word Anveshna means discovery. We chose that word because we discover content everywhere we go and we discover ourselves in the content we do. So, the Anveshna is about two things, filmmaking and content creation. And which are you interested in?
Well, I have a few stories that could be made into films, so I want to be a filmmaker.
Oh, cool. Did you ever make a short film?
I tried, but things didn't go to plan.
Well, it's really common in a filmmaker's life, and people think filmmaking is easy. It's not. Trust me, I've been there. Not having proper team, not having equipment, not having proper knowledge about filmmaking. Ugh. I think you relate, right?
Yes, I actually do.
I know, right? It's so tough. And you know what's tougher? When you finally pull it off and upload it and you don't get a good reach. But that's not even the worst part. Trust me. You work so hard to make one single video and you need to make a lot of videos to be consistent in the game. And you know what we do? We do multiple content. Like I do films and that's Davala over there doing vlogs. Hi guys, this is Punit. I'm a very good vlogger for sure. I don't know what I'm
Oh,
talking about.
Please, why are you bouncing into my vlog?
Because it's always fun annoying you
Huh.
vloggers.
Anyways, what are you doing here?
Well, I was just giving insights about the club to Divya. Oh, by the way, this is Davala and that's Divya.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you. By the way, don't you have a shoot right now?
Oh, actually, I do. I gotta go.
Yeah.
Okay, could you do me a favor?
Yeah?
Could you explain more about the club?
Yeah, sure.
And also, could you please make sure this reaches to Kalyani?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, what did he tell you till now?
Well, he told me about what kind of problems we face being a filmmaker or a content creator.
Okay, so did he tell you about the team Anveshna?
No, he didn't.
Okay, so at Anveshna, we understand the problems of a content creator or a filmmaker. We help them to create a better quality video or content. And the biggest advantage of being in this group is you get to collaborate with fellow creators or other clubs. The biggest problem of content creator is consistency, but we don't really worry about it because we do various content like I do vlogs and Puneet does films, and we have Vedit here. Come on, I'll show you.
Is it good? Cool. Hi.
Hey!
Are you vlogging my content?
No, do you want me to?
Nah, I'm done with my shoot. Better luck next time though.
Anyways, this is Divya. She is here for orientation.
Oh, hi.
Oh, I didn't know you guys dance as well.
What do you mean as well? Dance is also a content, right?
Yeah, but I had no idea about it.
Like I said, we do various content.
Wait, what exactly do you mean by multiple content?
Before you guys get started, I have a vlog to do. And Vedit, can you make sure that this pen drive reaches Kalyani?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
So, come with me. So, yeah, as I was saying, we make multiple content, not only filmmaking and acting. Also, we also do dance videos, as you just saw. We have musicians who work on our music content. We have a number of orators who work on motivational speaking, who do podcasts, audiobooks, and a lot more. We have a bunch of skilled writers who make sure that we won't ever run out of content. They do multiple tasks like blogging, writing poems, script writing, etc. We also do vlogging, as you just saw. We have contents on fitness, photography, and lifestyle. And last but not the least, we also make memes. And there's a lot more content that we are yet to explore.
Whoa, that's a lot of stuff, man. How do you manage posting all of these on Instagram?
Who said we only post on Instagram? We have multiple platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Spotify where we split these content into their respected fields and post them. Hey, you waiting for this?
Oh my god, thank you so much. Puneet wanted the content backup.
Yeah.
What's up, dancer?
Hey dude, are those the posters for the event?
Yeah, man, they are.
Oh, cool. Oh, by the way, that's Divya. This is Kalyani. This is Karthik.
Hi, Divya.
So guys, I need to go to practice. Can you guys handle her now?
Yeah, man, sure.
Bye.
Like everyone is busy. What's happening?
We're actually conducting an event this month, so we're working on it.
Why don't we go get some air?
Yeah, let's go.
Come.
So, what's the event about?
It's not just a single event that we work on. We try to conduct multiple events throughout the year so everyone can enjoy and participate.
We do this for people to find a place of their own. Not only that, we also include a lot of opportunities where people can come out of their comfort zone and explore other fields.
So you get the chance to attend events such as stand-up, if that's your thing. We also have performances for students who want to sing and dance. Also play any instrument if you want, of course. We also try to conduct many workshops which level up your game.
Or if you're obsessed with movies or series like me, we also conduct various contests where you can show off your talent. Not only that, if you just wanna chill out and binge watch movies, we also screen movies and series and stuff. This is just beginning, by the way. There's a lot more coming up and you will be excited, but I'll keep it as a surprise.
So stay tuned.
Hey Karthik.
Hey man, nice outfit.
Haha, thanks. What are you guys up to anyway?
Nothing much. Divya is just here for the orientation, so we're telling her about the events we plan.
Oh, I hope you didn't give out any spoilers.
Dude, I'm not Tom Holland, okay?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we're coming. We have to go.
Dude, we have to go. Could you just take care of her?
Oh yeah, sure.
Bye. Bye, Divya.
Let's go. So, how do you feel about the club?
Yeah, everything sounds really good to me, but everybody looks so busy, like they are always on tight schedules.
Well, there's one thing you need to know about Anveshna. It's that each and every member of our team enjoys his or her work. So, we all together have a lot of fun. And when you do what you like, you obviously have fun, right? And because of that, you get a lot of happiness and satisfaction, not stress. But even if you're stressed, then deep down you know that it's all worth it.
So, how do you guys manage everything?
You only work on scheduled days because each and every creator manages his or her own content. So it makes it easier for the team to manage the upload schedules. Basically, every content creator manages for himself.
Wow, that's a good strategy. But I just have one more doubt.
Yeah, shoot.
Like, how does it help an individual creator?
Okay, first of all, you're gonna be a part of a large team, which also helps you to be a team player and, if necessary, build your own team. Then, you learn a lot about strategizing and scheduling things, which in turn helps you being efficient and also being consistent. You know, just like how you learned about our strategy. And also, through your journey with us, you get to meet a lot of new people who share different experiences. And so eventually your circle gets bigger and you can share a lot of experiences of yours as well.
Wow, everything about you guys is exciting and fun. Just can't wait to be a part of the journey.
Well, if you're someone who's ready to explore your interests, who aims high and hustles hard and doesn't settle for the ordinary, you're the right place. See you soon.